Hey folks, welcome to my channel number pin. So there we have the problem on our screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. Cosecant square 5x minus 7, right? And like we've done in some of the earlier problems, looks like the best method to solve this problem is to make a substitution that will reduce y to a much simpler expression, right? And before that, let me write down what is the expression given to me. The expression given to me is nothing but dy by dx, and I've been asked to find what is my y, right? Which is my antiderivative, is what we've been asked to find. So how do we write my y? My y is nothing but, I pull out my integral symbol. My y is nothing but cosecant square 5x minus 7 times dx, right? Now let's come to the substitution. I think the best possible substitution would be t equals 5x minus 7, right? And what does that leave me with? I differentiate on either side. My dt becomes 5 times dx, which means my dx is dt by 5. Now I go back to the previous expression and put back everything in terms of t and see if I get a much simpler expression, right? And what do I get? I get a cosecant square t, and my dx becomes dt by 5. I pull out the 1 by 5 and I'm left with a cosecant square t dt, right? And does this look very familiar to us? The answer is yes. And why is that? Because I know that my dy by dx, when y equals cot x, is minus cosecant square x, right? So let me write that down. My d by dx of cot x is nothing but minus of cosecant square x, right? So which means my d by dx of minus cot x, what is that? It's plus cosecant square x, right? And now I'm going to relate this particular first principles derivative with what we have here, right? Let me highlight it in green, right? I'm going to relate these two, which means I have my answer. It's pretty simple and straightforward. I have my 1 by y times cosecant square dt, integral of that is nothing but a minus cot t, right? I cannot leave it in the form of t. So when I put back my t equals 5x minus 7, this is the final answer I get, minus 1 by 5 times cot of 5x minus 7 plus c, where c is any arbitrary constant. So there we are. Let me highlight my final answer in pink. I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.